Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we're diving into a common problem many of us face with our internet setup. So here's the deal. Our main source of internet is coming from an ONT ZTZXHN F618, which is great, but the Wi-Fi signal isn't the strongest, especially in other rooms. To address this problem, we've also got a TP-Link Archer C80 in the mix, which we currently use to improve internet speeds by connecting it via an Ethernet cable to our PC. Now for the solution. To extend the Wi-Fi signal of the ONT using the TP-Link, we need to ensure both devices are on the same Ethernet network. First off, if the Archer has an access point mode, switch to that. This will disable the router function and focus on Ethernet and Wi-Fi bridging, creating a seamless network. In case the Archer doesn't have an access point mode, here's what you need to do. Turn off the Archer's DHCP service. Adjust the LAN IP address to match the ONT's network, and connect the Archer using one of its LAN ports. By doing this, all devices will be on the same network, ensuring a smooth transition between the two Wi-Fi signals without dropping the connection. Oh, and don't forget to change the Wi-Fi SSID and passphrase to match the ONTs for seamless roaming experience. In summary, by setting up your Archer in access point mode or adjusting its settings accordingly, you can extend the Wi-Fi signal of your ONT, creating a unified network while still enjoying high speeds on your PC. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember, if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, stay connected, in tech savvy.